Boy, it's amazing how fast you can accumulate junk when you build a shelf or two. Welcome to the Herring Sawmill junk drawer. Here we have an eclectic mixture of everything you need to run a saw. Old coffee can full of old saw bits, you never know when you're going to need one. New saw bits, because you're always going to need those. Got a swage, got a hand wrench, file. You always need a can of the old WD-40, not 39, make sure you get the 40. It's important. Some belt dressing. When you got a lot of belts on your saw, you're going to need that. Old chisel. You never know when you're going to need a chisel. 2-cycle engine oil. Hand filer. Some old gloves in case you can finally talk one of your old buddies to come and help you out. At least if you give them gloves, they really think you care about them. But don't tell them there's holes all in them. Needs protective eyewear. Always bring starting fluid. You never know. I got a bunch of Allen wrenches, a bucket full of miscellaneous parts. Oh yeah, if you don't have an old T-pitcher full of bolts in it, you ain't running a sawmill. I try to collect bolts because you never know when you're gonna need one. Random plastic bag. Nope. That's actually grease. Multi-purpose grease. You'd be surprised what you can do with this. Move the world. Got a grease gun. Got some old belts. Got some old oil out the kitchen. You can do some stuff with that too. And of course, the secret ingredient of any sawmill, burnt motor oil. Hope that helps. Good luck starting your own stash. It really helps. The bigger the cabinet, the better. Oh, the other thing. If you notice right down here, so Asha's can't see it. I got old Bud Light. This is I gotta make me a little placard that says break in case of injury, because if something ever happens down here at the sawmill, at least I want to be where I can crawl and get me a sip of this while I bleed out. That's not funny, I shouldn't laugh. Don't drink alcohol and run sawmills. So, but yeah.